What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Crypto Wars, it's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is Saturday, June 13th, 2020. The future of money is digital currency. Bill Gates, founder and CEO, well, former CEO, but founder of Microsoft. Let's get into it. First one coming out of Cointelegraph. This is a story about a crypto analyst that claims that Bitcoin's 20K all-time high was fake. A cryptocurrency analyst has suggested that the price manipulation was behind Bitcoin's current and previous all-time highs, and that the $20,000 December 2017 price was fake. So he's talking about even currently right now, the prices are fake. Cane Island Alternative Advisors Timothy Peterson has claimed that Bitcoin's near $20,000 all-time high in December 2017 was fake. In the tweet, Peterson said that it took 7 years for people to accept that Bitcoin was manipulated in 2013, referencing a recent ruling by a Japanese court upholding data tampering charges against former Mt. Gox CEO Mark Karpelès. He then asked how long before people understand Bitcoin was manipulated again in 2017 and 2019 before signing off, claiming that the 20K all-time high was fake. All right, let's just start off with the fact that, yes, Bitcoin is manipulated. And there are a lot of whales in this crypto space. Also, the traditional stock market is also manipulated. And we're seeing the blatant manipulation of the stock market right now with the Federal Reserve pumping the bags of each and every company on the stock market, buying up the debt, inflating the prices of the stocks, and just keep pumping the market and tricking people, everyday, regular retail investors, into investing into said stocks because they're going to just sell them their bags, basically. And we're seeing that currently taking place right now at this moment. Only if supported by fundamentals as measured by active addresses, hash rate, and transaction counts. Otherwise, price is not sustainable. So he's talking about a current price right now, saying that it's not sustainable, saying anything other than what he claims here. He's talking about just fundamentals, which sort of makes sense, right? The fundamentals of Bitcoin, having active addresses, having a high hash rate, having the transactions, and being able to see all this on the blockchain. So in his mind, what I'm taking from this article is that to see Bitcoin reach all-time new highs and it be real all-time new highs, we need more people in crypto. And that, in my opinion, is somewhat true. But again, if you're just talking about just everything being fake, the whole world is fake, right? So this is what I highlighted out here. All right, Peterson did recently predict that Bitcoin price will rise to $1 million by 2027 based on an organically increasing number of users. Makes sense, because according to his analysis, and it's basically what he's thinking and what he analyzed, he's basically saying that when more people come in and more active addresses are being used, we'll see an organic rise to $1 million per Bitcoin. He claims that this figure was derived purely from math, so it would presumably count as a legitimate all-time high by his own definition. And again, it's all one man's opinion. That's just his opinion. In my opinion, I definitely think Bitcoin is going to reach that $1 million price tag because it's just, like he said, it's just math. And eventually it will get there. I'm hoping it's not like tomorrow, or next week, because I still want to fill my bags, right? So eventually it'll get there. By the time of the next halving, or a little bit after that, in my opinion. Next, why Bitcoin suddenly dropped 6% on Thursday? Everything dropped on Thursday. The Dow dropped 1,800 points. Where did they state that? The Dow dropped 1,800 points. I should have highlighted it, but everything, here it is right here. It fell 1,800 points on Thursday. It's just a liquidity thing. People were just selling off their assets, everything, to get their hands on cash. Again, cash is still king. And people were selling off everything to get their hands on cash. Everything dumped on Thursday. Not a big deal. We're seeing that once we see it drops by a certain price point, then people start selling off, panicking, and it's just like an ongoing snowball effect. You know, it's just a chain reaction. People see some whales dumping or something like that, or they see the market selling off, you know, the traditional stock market, then they get scared out of their Bitcoin holdings and start selling off their cryptos as well. And here we are, a tweet from Whale Alert talking about over 18, let me see, Bitcoin of the stolen funds transferred from Bitfinex hack in 2016 transferred to an unknown wallet. And somebody asks if dump is incoming. I don't think so. People just moving stolen funds. That's the great thing about the blockchain, and also the bad thing. But the great thing is everybody could track it, and they could see where you're sending those funds. And they're talking about the chart is lean bearish. No one knows exactly what happened. The main fact is maybe it was because of the dumping in the traditional stock market, and just people were looking to, you know, they got scared out. Weak hands, they folded. Next, whoa, let's go back. Father of Jobs Act, U.S. digital dollar is inevitable. No one wants Chinese currency. So David Wild the fourth, who is known as the father of the Jobs Act, I don't know why they call him the father, just say the dude that started the Jobs Act, believes that the issuance of the digital dollar is imminent and the U.S. government should hurry up with it. This is coming from him directly. If you're wondering who he is other than that's a congressperson, he's served as a vice chairman of NASDAQ and currently manages his own decentralized investment bank that helps crypto and blockchain companies raise capital. So he's got some juice there. I think that the United States should do it. And I think the United States should do it sooner rather than later. But I also think that most of the world is not that interested in the Chinese digital currency simply because it's not a free country. It's not predictable. And there are plenty of Chinese people that would like to get out of China because of the arbitrary nature of the government at times. I'm not going to get into whether or not this country is acting like a free country right now, because they're printing a lot of money and giving it to wealthy Wall Street types and not the people. But that's a video for another time. But I definitely understand where he's coming from, and I agree with him about the fact that, yes, the United States need to get on the ball, or on the bandwagon, so to speak, and start pushing this thing out, pushing this digital currency out. It shouldn't take that long for someone to hire developers to get the job done. We see that China is doing it, and they are playing the 4D chess over there on a high level because they're trying to undermine the US dollar by any means necessary. And if the US don't step up and stop being lazy about it, then they'll get left behind, because China will develop their own digital currency and start doing trade and things of that nature, which will threaten the strength of the US dollar. That's what I have to say about that right there. So I definitely agree with this congressman, the dude that started the Jobs, father of the Jobs Act, or whatever, David Wild. Next, oh, I already did this, but that's it. That is it. Just those 3 quick stories. Let me know what you guys think. Smash the like, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you like the videos that I've been putting out, man, please smash a like, leave a comment, share the video. You know, if you don't like something about the video, just let me know in the comment section. Write a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's going on. And yeah, thanks for watching as always. And I'm out. Peace.